Are you curious about which photo editing app is better? Today we are diving into Facetune versus FaceApp. Both of these tools help you enhance your selfies, but they do it in different ways. Facetune focuses on perfecting your appearance, while FaceApp offers fun filters and effects. Let's start with Facetune. This app is all about beauty. You can smooth your skin, whiten your teeth, and even reshape your face. It's great for making yourself look flawless in photos. Many people love how easy it is to use and the professional results it can give. Now, let's talk about FaceApp. This app is known for its cool filters. You can change your hairstyle, add makeup, or even see what you'd look like when you're older. It's fun and creative, perfect for those who want to play around with their looks. So, what are the key differences? Facetune is more focused on touch ups, while FaceApp is all about transformation and creativity. If you want to look your best, Facetune is your go to. But if you want to experiment and have fun, FaceApp is the way to go. When it comes to features, both apps have unique tools. Facetune has advanced skin editing options. FaceApp shines with its variety of filters and effects. Depending on what you need, one may suit you better than the other. In terms of pricing, both apps offer free versions, but they also have premium options. Facetune tends to be a bit pricier than FaceApp for the full experience. So, who should choose what? If you want polished selfies, go for Facetune. If you are looking for fun and creative edits, FaceApp is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.